is sleeping, and I decided to make myself a toast with some herbs. Is it crazy? He invited us to get our lungs tested on Sunday because he is in the emergency room today.